Hi crafty folks, Amy here, and I'm going to show you a way you can clean your brushes while simultaneously making a card and not wasting those gorgeous inks. So this is the Mega Succulents 3D embossing folder from altenew. You guys probably know I am a sucker for these altenew 3D embossing folders, and this one is no exception. It is totally gorgeous. But I spritzed this 110-pound cardstock with some water that allows it to really take the design and also eliminate the likelihood of cracking. So I'm just going to line this up in this 6x6 embossing folder and run it through my die cutting machine off screen. But here's a photo of the finished card. I tried to make it kind of natural looking. The way I picture them oftentimes is that nice sagey color green, sometimes with purple tips. So that's the look that I'm going for while cleaning my blending brushes in this process. So you can see I don't have any ink pads out. The colors that are likely on these brushes are Catherine Pooler dye inks, because that's what I use most of the time. But I have my teal, blue, green, and purple family blending brushes here, and I'm just going to work through this design, laying down the residual ink that's left on my blending brushes. Now you absolutely can come in and do the same thing direct from your ink pad, but it's going to be much more saturated and maybe not blend as nicely. So the beauty of these 3D embossing folders is you can just really kind of glide over and really accent the design, and also kind of lay down more subtle color kind of in the valleys of this design. So kind of coming through with the green and the teal. I don't end up using that dark blue, but I do come in with the purple, just kind of put purple along the tips. Now, purple and green don't usually get along well, but it works fine in this application, and that's oftentimes how you'll see succulents, is kind of that combination of colors. So I was kind of trying to make it relatively realistic because it is just such a gorgeous succulent design, and I absolutely love how this turned out. So I can see myself making a bunch of these. These would be great ideas for batching, or if you need to mass produce, if you do card exchanges or donations or anything like that. Not only is it a good way to kind of clean your blending brushes and not waste the ink, but it's also so quick, and there is no shortage of wow factor when you use these embossing folders. They are just always impressive. I never get sick of them. I keep buying them. They keep making them, and I will keep buying them because they are just gorgeous. And I love the width of the altenew ones. I find that they work really well with just the base plate and one of the plates through my Spellbinders Platinum 6. I feel like they go through smoothly like a dream. And then I'm going to add this awesome Spanish sentiment. This is also another altenew. It's called Spanish Label Love. So another altenew product, and just attach that right onto the front with these little foam strips that I get from Amazon. So I will link the products that I used in the video description box below. If you expand that area and scroll down, you'll find those details. But how easy was this, guys? I'm telling you. And you can multitask, clean your brushes, not waste your stuff. It's just win-win-win, right? So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll check you next time. Bye.